Today is super important. It's our 30th anniversary open house. Factory 5 as a whole is the best community out there. All of our customers come together, they're always helping each other on the forum, and now this is a chance for everybody to meet each other. We're gonna have a huge car show. Customers are gonna be wrapping the building with their coupes, roadsters, hot rods. So this is a chance for everybody to come together. We have all of our cars on display. You're gonna see some of the production, from welding to molding. We have really cool unveil.
This car here is the beginning of a commitment that was made in 1995. Let's take the cover off it and show these guys. The coupe is really special, and it has the accoutrements that the 30th Anniversary Cobra had, but it has an option to do the carbon fiber. The shaping technology and the CNC. This body was made from a 3D scan. We can make these bodies in a much more modern and efficient way. Thank you for coming. It's really a great party. I'm really proud of the team. I can't even begin to describe the emotions you have when you have 30 years of your life's work. And this is it. And so thank you very much.
Having this event, especially on our 30th anniversary, be as special as it is. We haven't had an open house since 2022. This is our first really big event since then, and having it on the anniversary year, I think it's going to make the community stronger than it already is. Really ramp everything up and get people excited about building these cars again.